Hi, I'm Brad Kelly, Chief Contributor at Magnum Opus Financial. Today we're going to talk about something else that we saw on television, life insurance. You'll see commercials that promise you $500,000 for under $50 a month. But there's something that you need to know about that. That is the rate for what we call a 10-year term policy. So let's go through that. What does that mean? Well, the 10 years refers to how long the life insurance will cover you. At your 10-year and 1 day mark, you will no longer have life insurance policy. Now, they'll offer you to continue your policy, but instead of, say, $50 a month, they'll offer to insure you at, say, $2,000 or $3,000 or $4,000 a year, instead of what you were paying at about $600 a year. If you choose to continue the life insurance policy, you can continue to have coverage, but it's certainly not the deal that you signed up for. So what if you get a longer term? Well, a 30-year quote on a 50-year-old healthy male for $500,000 is $100 a month. That's twice as much as the commercial says it is. But on the commercial, they're not exactly telling you that they're only quoting you for 10 years. And I have to tell you that based on the statistics, if you get a 10-year policy at age 50, you're pretty much going to live until age 60, which means that you will have paid in $600 a year for 10 years and get absolutely nothing back. That's $6,000 that you could have at least saved up towards your house, a boat, a car, something else. Look, I'm not saying that you shouldn't get life insurance. In fact, I think everybody should have life insurance. In fact, if you take a look at history and find out where wealth has come from in America, my suspicion is that it comes from two sources. One is real estate, not that is sold, but that is passed on from generation to generation. And the second is life insurance money. A lot of times, even if you have significant cash or investment value and you're looking at estate planning, it's often better off to spend that money insuring yourself so that when the assets pass on to your beneficiaries or the next generation, they're actually passed on tax-free. See, that's the benefit of life insurance. When you die, you leave tax-free money to your beneficiaries or to your estate. It just depends on how you have it set up. Look, just like other financial products, it's really important not to see something like life insurance as a product that you pull off the supermarket shelf. Sure, it's nice to comparison shop, and I think that you should do that. Nobody should ever pay outrageous prices for life insurance. But once you have identified the best company to go with, it's really more of a conversation about what type of life insurance. For more information on the different types of life insurance, please visit www.magnumopusfinancial.com. Just kind of like the movie Mr. Holland's Opus. Opus is spelled O-P-U-S. So it's magnumopusfinancial.com. You can log on, and right there on the front page, you'll see a section that's labeled Life. Click on it, and you'll be able to read our Life Insurance Buyer's Guide that explains to you the three types of life insurance: term insurance, return of premium term insurance, and permanent insurance. And there's also several types of permanent insurance. All that is covered in the Life Insurance Buyer's Guide. So remember, try not to use some quoting engine that you saw off television that promises you a cheap rate. Instead, look around your church. See if there's somebody that you know that you spend a lot of time with and you already know rather well that you can trust to help you give them advice. Go ahead and tell them up front that you're going to go with them if you decide to do it. That way there's less of a salesman kind of relationship that you have. Once you take the pressure of them having to sell you life insurance off the table, they should be able to give you good quality advice on the type of life insurance that you need. If you don't have anyone that you know, feel free to send us a message in the Contact Us section on the website. Tell us your story, and we'll help you through the process. If you want, we can even provide you with the life insurance. Thanks again for checking in with Magnum Opus Financial. For these and other great ideas about saving and investing and preparing for your future, log on to www.magnumopusfinancial.com. And don't forget to check out the company's blog, radio station, and newspaper right there on the webpage. Thanks so much and have a great day.